Today we are learning about ways to prevent cancer with Dr. Miles Hassell from greatmed.org. You're going to tell us about cancer prevention, but also survivorship for those who want to beat cancer.
All of us probably have been touched by cancer in some way or another. The question is, A, can we reduce the risk of it? And the answer is yes, but we can't eliminate it. We aren't that smart yet. When somebody has cancer, we can improve their outcomes from that cancer beyond what is achievable with just chemotherapy and radiation and immunotherapies and surgery. What we're trying to do at greatmed.org is help people see that when they can get a regular exercise program going, a whole food style diet, we use a Mediterranean diet model, but there's many other whole food models that work really well, weight management, muscle mass increase, all of these combine to not just reduce your risk of cancer by fairly substantial amounts. For example, in the Lyon study, they had a 50 to 60% reduction in primary cancers over 4 years. And we've seen numerous other studies that suggest that you have pretty substantial risk reduction for cancer with good diets. Ditto for exercise, ditto for weight management. And so you combine all those and then you apply it to the patient with cancer. And it looks like you reduce the risk of dying of their cancer or having a recurrence by somewhere between 20 and 40%. Now, once again, that's not perfect, but it's right up there in importance with everything else we do for cancer. We have immunotherapies, we have chemotherapy, we have radiation, we have surgery, all of which are important. What we need to do, I think, is do a much better job of introducing the lifestyle component, the weight management, the muscle management, the exercise choices, and the food choices that make the results even better.
So all that is the anti-cancer lifestyle.
The anti-cancer lifestyle, which actually is also the anti-heart disease lifestyle, the anti-type 2 diabetes lifestyle, the anti-depression lifestyle.
Wow.
It's really kind of amazing how it's like we're designed to follow sort of a certain set of guidelines for our bodies.
And you've written an entire book on this.
Yes, so Good Food, Great Medicine, I wrote it with my sister. It's now in its 4th edition. It really equips people to have some understanding of the science behind how making the right food choices and the right activity choices will reduce your risk of pretty much all disease, and including cancer.
To get your copy of Good Food, Great Medicine, visit greatmed.org.